Hey guys, Matthew Latender here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the next video. This is the second video in the Power Lead System upgrade series that I'm making right now. I just wanted to say I hope you guys are all doing great. If you're on my team, I hope my videos are helping you guys out, because that's the goal. If you want to find success, you got to help other people find success, and that's my goal. Whether it's through my business, or it's maybe if it's something I said in my videos, whatever inspires you, that is what I hope you get out of my videos, inspiration. So this next video is going to be all about the Platinum package. Now, I just finally upgraded to the Diamond package recently because I was sick of losing. I was basically sick of losing $400 commissions. To tell you the truth, within the last couple of months, I lost $800 because I wasn't qualified for this package. And with the upgrades, if you're not qualified, if you don't own the product, you can't make the commission off of it. So if someone under me purchases that product, it's going to go past me and it's going to go right to my sponsor. Yeah, so I'm sure my sponsor's happy. He made $800 off me because I wasn't qualified. This is what I'm talking about when you're doing upgrades. You want to make as much money as possible in your business, so you want to position yourself to do it. Now, I understand maybe you're not able to do it right now. That's fine. I tell people, if they can do it, to at least go to the Diamond package, because it's the cheapest out all of them, and it's a one-time fee of $147, and you can now make $20 and $100 commissions. But whatever it is, you do it when you can. But I'm going to actually show you one of my emails. One second. I'm going to cut out for a second. Okay, guys, we're back. It says right here you lost a Platinum commission, and then it says below someone below you just purchased our Platinum membership. This commission would have gone to you had you been a Platinum member yourself. To make sure this never happens again, log in and upgrade to Platinum right now. Social Profit Academy. To purchase, log in. Look for the button called Social Profit Academy. This button. So basically, it's telling me I lost a $400 commission, and I do not want to see those emails anymore. So, so I finally decided I'm gonna do it, because just think what you can do with just having one $400 commission a month. Just think of what you could do with that. So I just wanted to show you that email real quick. This isn't the one that I just received. I must have deleted it, but I found an old one from 2017. That's how long it took me to get to the Platinum package. And because I've been promoting Power Lead System more and more eyes getting onto my business, I'm starting to lose more and more of those commissions, and I don't want to let that happen anymore. So you're going to receive an email like this too if you're not qualified for the whatever it is. So we're going to get back to it. I just wanted to show you guys that. That's why I talk about the upgrades. You want to position yourself to make as much money as possible. So here we are. We're going to talk about the Platinum package. We're going to watch this video real quick. This is going to be all about the Platinum package, and then we'll talk about everything else about it.
Our Platinum membership, which pays out $400 commissions over and over again as you market your breakthrough system. That's right, for every Platinum membership the system sells for you, your automated marketing system is going to earn you a $400 commission. Just one Platinum upgrade per week pays you $1,600 per month. Imagine what that kind of income would mean for you and your family. You can start paying off those unpaid bills. You can get those much needed repairs in your car. or even buy a new car. Or you can even use your newfound wealth to cover your entire monthly mortgage, or even get that vacation home you've always wanted. Now, when you double these example results to just 2 or 3 upgrades per week, well, now we're talking about life-changing income that can positively impact your life and your loved ones too. But here's where it gets even better, because you're also going to get paid a generous $50 override every time one of your referrals gets a platinum membership upgrade themselves. With just 2 of your referrals getting 1 upgrade per week, you pocket an additional $400 per month. 5 referrals doing the same would pay you $1,000 a month in extra income. And just 10 people each getting 1 small upgrade per week would put an additional $2,000 in your bank account every month, hands-free. And there's no limit to this income. You could be earning $50 overrides from dozens or even hundreds of people. But our Platinum membership isn't only about you making an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month. It also unlocks our highest value, most popular traffic, lead, and money-getting training program. I'm proud to introduce to you the Social Profit Academy. And this is my best course, and it was created by me, Jeff Mills, just for you, so you can make money in many profitable ways doing Facebook marketing with paid Facebook ads. Others have called this training the best, most complete Facebook marketing course ever created. And now, inside this easy to understand 10-module program, you'll be shown exactly what's working today, right now, using the newly revamped and push-button simple Facebook ads platform. You'll watch me over the shoulder and see exactly how I set up my campaigns and how these same campaigns brought me over $100,000 in just 8 short months. Whether you need fresh leads every day, want to build a huge organization in no time flat, or simply want to rake in thousands of dollars per day selling any product, service, or affiliate offer, my course will take you by the hand and show you everything step by step with a paint-by-numbers 10-module plan. The Social Profit Academy course could easily retail right now for over $2,000, but it's available through this one-time Platinum membership offer for the low price of only $497. And when you place your order today, you're going to get instant access to a dozen never-before-seen video interviews and case studies with people just like you who went from 0 to making $1,000, $5,000, and even over $50,000 per month in profit using these exact same Facebook marketing methods. And remember, by owning this course, you are instantly eligible to make $400 commissions on every referral the system generates for you, plus unlimited $50 overrides on all of their referrals, but only if you step up and become a Platinum member yourself. Simply click that buy button below and add this powerful course to your order right now. Become a Platinum member and discover how you can sell anything inside of Facebook and make money starting today. Just click that buy button right now.
Okay, so that's the Platinum package, everything you get in it. And then I'm going to show you this now. Okay, here we are. So this is going to be, this is everything, the whole price, one-time payment of $497, and then you get $400 commissions on your first level. So that's everyone that you bring into Power Lead System that purchases the Platinum package, you get $400, and then anyone that they bring in and they purchase this product, you get the $50 every time one of your referrals purchases this product. So you get $400 every time, plus you got the $50 residuals. So that is the Platinum package. So we're going to go back to here, and once you join, you can click any of these buttons here. As you can see, anything that's green means you've already purchased or you've done everything, and of course you have videos walking you through everything. But my last one I have to purchase, and this is the one I'm looking forward to the most, because you can make $1,000 commissions, plus this course right here for what they're charging, and I'm going to talk about that in the next video. What they're charging for this course is really cheap considering all the value you get in it. This course is all about helping you totally transform your business. I'm not gonna tell you anything about it because I'm gonna save that for the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to comment below, feel free to comment. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. And then also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you'll get more videos like these. I also do tutorial videos on Power Lead System. Just recently I did a demo on how to create a page in Power Lead System from the ground up using our new drag and drop system. I'm going to do some videos on the old system as well, so you guys can learn how to do the pages in either system. But our new drag and drop system is super fast, and you can create some really cool things in it. So that's it for this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you'll get notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.